know, I was told I was going to be driving this car. I was really excited. I mean, 375 horsepower V8, 1967 Plymouth Belvedere GTX, and it's everything about the 60s to me. It's just fun, powerful. Aesthetically, it looks like a car a grandma would drive, but it's got some nice power. The steering wheel feels like I'm driving a huge boat. I mean, it's even a little bit tiring to keep your hands up here. The inside's been restored very nicely. Doesn't seem like any chips or scratches or anything. No LCD readouts here. Everything is gauged out for you. You know, you can really tell it's a car that's a little bit older. You can still hear the outside noises and sounds. The wind you can hear blowing through the windows. Turning goes nice and easy. Nice pickup. Speedometer goes up to 150 miles an hour. You know, I feel like when the 67 Plymouth was made, it's just reaching the peak of the muscle car era, just riding that crest a little bit, tapering it off down into the 70s. And, you know, this still has that muscle car feel to it, but a little bit elegant on the inside. And it's actually very relaxing. A lot of the cars that I drive, you know, the 60s seem to be a little more tiresome. This actually feels like almost, if I say, a little bit of a luxury cruiser with some power underneath it. It's like driving a luxury ocean liner with a nice V8 engine.